In this instructional video, we will be exploring how to incorporate new parts into your schematics through the use of the Create Part dialog. Firstly, make sure the Add Ribbon tab is active on your screen. Next, locate and click on the New Symbol button, which will prompt the Create Part dialog box to appear. This dialog box is your gateway to creating parts with predefined parameters, showcased by a selection of generic component images in the central area. You have the option to adjust the size of these images to your liking using the icon size toggles situated at the bottom right of the dialog. Choose from small, medium, or large views. On the right-hand side of this dialog, you'll notice 3 vertically aligned viewports. The top viewport reveals the schematic symbol, the middle one displays the footprint or the land pattern, and the bottom viewport offers a 3D representation of the component. You can pan across any of these viewports by clicking and dragging with the middle mouse button or zoom in and out with the mouse's scroll wheel. To pick a part to add to your schematic, simply click on the icon that matches your desired component type. Adjacent to the main grid of icons, on the left side, you'll find the Parametric panel. This is where you can adjust the parameters for your chosen part model. When you select different models by clicking their icons, the Properties panel will refresh to present the adjustable parametric properties. The most effective way to familiarize yourself with this dialog's capabilities is to experiment with it. For instance, add a part by double-clicking on one of the icons in the main display. For demonstration purposes, let's add a Panasonic capacitor. First, click on its corresponding icon to select it. Then, define the capacitor's value in the Properties panel. After double-clicking the icon for the Panasonic capacitor, the dialog will close, and the capacitor's symbol will attach to your mouse cursor in the schematic workspace. Place it with a left click. To inspect how it integrates into the PCB layout, switch to the PCB tab. You'll see the capacitor's footprint has been automatically placed. You can move this footprint to your preferred location by clicking, dragging, and then releasing the mouse button over it. Finally, to get a 3D perspective, open the panel's Ribbon tab and select the 3D view option within the Windows Ribbon tab. This action generates a 3-dimensional visual of the PCB, complete with the newly added capacitor mounted in position. The demonstration on using the Create Part dialog to add components to your schematic has now concluded. This tool is crucial for defining and customizing your components with precision before placing them into your design. It's equipped with a suite of robust features designed to give you full control over the specification and configuration of your parts. I highly encourage you to start a new project and practice adding components using this dialog. It's a worthwhile investment of your time that will enhance your efficiency and potentially save resources in the long run. Soon, you'll likely find it a rewarding and enjoyable aspect of your workflow.
you.